Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching on some cool stuff we can do with Python. Very interesting stuff. Let's start with a random password generator. Let's assume you need a password of a specified length with certain number of characters, alphanumeric. How can you do this with Python? Follow me and I'll show you. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so and hit the like button. Turn on the notification bell to see more of our videos. Okay, now how do we generate random passwords? So this is your editor. I'm using Spider. Okay, begin like this. We first need to import the modules we'll be using. Import random, import string. This is what we're going to be using. String has a collection of string constants and alphanumeric, whether digits or you can check, you can read up on this documentation. So next, let's set our parameters. So I'll say use digits true. That's if you want digits. If you want to use digits in your passwords, you want to use numbers. So special characters, if you set it true, if not, just change this to false. Password length, let's say 15, whichever figure you want. Special characters, sometimes you're restricted to certain special characters. There are sites, there are databases that will not allow you to use something like the minus, the hyphen, the plus. So you just put here every acceptable special character. Now letters, we're going to use the string and ASCII letters. Digits, string the digits, for you to get the constant digits from the string. Now all characters, letters, then we begin to update these. So if you will use digits, if you set this to be true, then add digits to these all characters. If you use special characters, then add special characters. Okay, now password, so it's just an empty string and then we increase it. Now for high, we will set up a for loop for high in range password length. So it's going to run this code as many times as the length of the password. So I'll say this empty string password plus random dot choice or characters. This choice helps you pick one randomly from whatever is here. Okay, so if all characters is A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3 plus all these random. So to run our code, we come F5 and you see a generator password. You can copy, you can run this as many times as you like. Thanks for watching.